Today, we will listen to a short English composition called
My flat. My flat is not very large, but it is comfortable, practical, and full of life. I live in an apartment building, which is very common in Eastern Europe. Some buildings have around 20 flats, while others are much bigger and can have 50 or even 60 apartments. Even though many families live in the same building, it still feels friendly and familiar. Our flat is on the 3rd floor, and we usually take the stairs, although there is also a small elevator. When you enter the flat, there is a narrow hallway where we keep our shoes and coats. From there, you can go into the living room, which is the biggest and brightest room in our home. The living room is where we spend most of our time together. There is a comfortable sofa, a table, and a television. In the evenings, we watch movies, talk about school and work, or simply relax after a long day. The balcony is connected to the living room, and I enjoy stepping outside to get some fresh air and look at the other buildings around us. Next to the living room, there is a small but modern kitchen. My parents cook delicious meals there, and I sometimes help them prepare dinner. Even though the kitchen is not very big, it has everything we need. There are also 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. My room is my favorite place because I can study, read, and listen to music there. I have a desk near the window, and I like watching the city lights in the evening. Living in a flat means having many neighbors. Sometimes I meet other children in the building, and we play together in front of the block. Even if our flat is not luxurious or very spacious, I truly love it because it is warm, safe, and full of happy family moments. In my opinion, it is a wonderful place to grow up and feel at home.